Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can change background color over on WordPress. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, on your profile home's left hand menu, tap on Appearance. Under Appearance, go to Customize, Colors, Use Site Editor. Tap on Use Site Editor and select any block. After selecting any block, go to this menu on the upper right corner and change its color to your preference. You can also change the color of the text when you're done. Close the menu. You can also change the color of the whole site. I'll use a different theme for it. After opening your site, tap on the left side menu on the upper right side. Then go to Colors and change it to your liking. And you're done. This is basically how you can change background color over on WordPress. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.